Strong visual moods are created through intentional tonal direction, and designing them carefully can transform the emotional impact of any image. How to design dramatic visual moods. Open Photoshop and import your image into a 2000 pixel canvas, converting the layer into a smart object so adjustments remain flexible. Begin with a curves adjustment layer and deepen shadows slightly while brightening highlights to establish dramatic contrast. Add a color balance adjustment layer and push tones toward a chosen mood palette, such as cool cinematic or warm intense. Lower opacity so the effect blends smoothly. Introduce a gradient map with complementary colors